She always watches TV after dinner. She always watches TV after dinner. She goes to the gym every morning. She goes to the gym every morning. He always drinks coffee in the morning. He always drinks coffee in the morning. He often walks his dog in the park. He often walks his dog in the park. He visits his grandmother every Sunday. He visits his grandmother every Sunday. They play soccer every Saturday. They play soccer every Saturday. The train arrives at 7 a.m. every day. The train arrives at 7 a.m. every day. I clean the house on Sundays. I clean the house on Sundays. I always write in my journal before sleeping. I always write in my journal before sleeping. My father reads the newspaper every morning. My father reads the newspaper every morning. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. He calls his friend every weekend. He calls his friend every weekend. I always water the plants in the morning. I always water the plants in the morning. We go to church every week. We go to church every week. He always takes a nap after lunch. He always takes a nap after lunch. She usually drinks tea in the morning. She usually drinks tea in the morning. She always wears a jacket in winter. She always wears a jacket in winter. My brother watches cartoons every afternoon. My brother watches cartoons every afternoon. He sometimes goes jogging after work. He sometimes goes jogging after work. I usually take the bus to work. I usually take the bus to work. He often listens to music while studying. He often listens to music while studying. She reads a book before bed every night. She reads a book before bed every night. The postman delivers letters every weekday. The postman delivers letters every weekday. They visit the zoo every summer. They visit the zoo every summer. I usually study for 2 hours at night. I usually study for 2 hours at night. I always brush my teeth after meals. I always brush my teeth after meals. She sometimes plays tennis in the morning. She sometimes plays tennis in the morning. We bake cookies every Christmas. We bake cookies every Christmas. He enjoys running in the morning every day. He enjoys running in the morning every day. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Plants need sunlight to grow. Plants need sunlight to grow. Elephants are the largest land animals. Elephants are the largest land animals. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Fish live in water. Fish live in water. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. I like to read books in my free time. I like to read books in my free time. We prefer to travel by car. We prefer to travel by car. She enjoys cooking on weekends. She enjoys cooking on weekends. She likes to spend time with her family. She likes to spend time with her family. He loves playing video games. He loves playing video games. I dislike loud noises. I dislike loud noises.